Guys, out in the field where my cars are, because there are no buildings or anything around. You all know I don't drive, but I'm waiting to be picked up. This is what it's like up here right now. Torrential rain again in the northeast. I'm up in the Berkshire Mountains on New York side, but I sold this car, so I was emptying it out. It's a Chevy Lumina, and I sold it. As you all can tell, I was emptying it out to make it look nice. I was gonna vacuum it with my inverter and battery that I have, but unfortunately, I got stuck in the rain. I look forward to seeing you all in the next cool video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more awesome content. I have low vision. I do a project the cams off. I do automotive lessons. I do singing, songwriting, all different kinds of things. Highly recommend checking out my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.